Of Samsung's multiple new high-end smartphones reportedly scheduled for an online-only announcement on August 5, the 5G-enabled Galaxy Z Flip received the least amount of attention from leakers and industry pundits in the last few months. That's obviously because everyone expected or merely assumed this new handset would look an awful lot like the original Z Flip, both inside and out. More specifically, the Galaxy Z Flip 5G was widely rumored to bring support for the next gold standard in cellular connectivity to the table while retaining the rest of its forerunner's specs and features, as well as its flexible design. But based on a freshly discovered pre-release benchmark, there's actually one additional upgrade in the pipeline. It's also a big one that will essentially bring the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5G in line with the Galaxy S20 and Note 20 families in a key department. We're talking about processing power, an area where the 4G LTE-only Z Flip made a bit of a compromise, settling for a Snapdragon 855 Plus to help keep the price point relatively low. Well, the Z Flip 5G is apparently not concerned about that, packing a state-of-the-art Snapdragon 865 chipset codenamed Kona. This should provide a significant enhancement in raw speed compared to the M-style motherboard of the Z Flip 4G, as well as S10 and Note 10 series devices, but for what it's worth, Samsung doesn't seem to be planning a similar memory upgrade. The SMF707B variant put through the Geekbench 5 motions earlier today comes with the same 8GB RAM count as the original Galaxy Z Flip, which might allow the 5G-capable foldable handset to remain somewhat affordable, at least compared to the Galaxy Fold and Galaxy Fold 2. That being said, you can definitely expect a higher price tag than $1,380 now, as well as limited supply until 2021 after a late August. According to a couple of recent leaks, Samsung's Note 20 will launch with a new mint colorway alongside a few others. As first detailed by Ishan Agarwal on Twitter, the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 will apparently be debuting in 3 colors: gray, green, and copper. The name of that green was later mentioned to be mint, implying a much lighter shade of the colorway. In the days since, MobileFun has also come out to corroborate this information. The Galaxy Note 20 will come in a mint color. Introducing this new mint color would certainly be a departure to previous Galaxy Note colorways, which, for the most part, have focused on darker tones. The Note 10, for example, comes in striking red and blue colors, where the Note 9 launched in a dark blue alongside a deep lavender and brown too. Presumably, though, the Note 20's mint will be closer to what we saw with the Galaxy S20 series earlier this year, with cloud blue and cloud pink. Here's the bad news: this new mint color will only be available for the smaller Note 20 and not the Note 20 Plus or Ultra. That variant will only be available in copper, white, and black according to this report. That's quite a shame. Worse yet, there's no sign of Aura Glow returning. The Samsung Galaxy Note 20 series is expected to launch in August alongside a few other devices. One of those devices is a 5G version of the Galaxy Z Flip, which, according to Agarwal, will launch in black, gray, and copper variants. So that is it in this video. Subscribe if you like and share this video. Thanks for watching.